Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the ring flash on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the very first thing that we'll do, because this is a very new feature of Snapchat, is we'll head into our App Store or Google Play Store if you're on Android. We'll search at the bottom right and search for Snapchat here. So we want to make sure that Snapchat is the latest version. And you can see right at the top here, it says open right next to Snapchat. It doesn't say update if it says update. Go ahead and update to the latest version. As I said, this is a new feature that they're rolling out to lots of users on Snapchat, and you need the latest version. So I'm going to open up the Snapchat app here, and you can see it opens up the camera. Now to get that ring flash, you can tap on the flash icon at the very top right here. You can see it's the little lightning bolt. I can tap on that, and you can see it taps on flash here, and I can tap it again. Tap on flash. Now, if you have this feature enabled on your specific account, it will look sort of like this. When you tap that flash, it will show either regular or ring flash as an option. So you can see that I don't have this feature enabled yet because Snapchat is just rolling it out to all of their users. There's no way to speed that up or request Snapchat. Turn that on your specific account. They're just kind of going through the process to do that. You want to make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat. So check to make sure that you have the latest version and update the latest version. But otherwise, like me, you got to wait until that feature is enabled for your specific account. And then you can tap on that little flash, and it will give you the ring light feature that you can turn on, and it gives you a really cool effect when taking photos or videos. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next.